Realizing the need of the hour, Kalyani Industries Limited pioneered its operations in the year 2000 as agricultural pesticides, health and household insecticides manufacturers. The company is certified and follows measures as per the ISO 9001-2008 as well as the WHO guidelines in manufacturing products which ensure total safety to humans and animals. The company has grown leaps and bounds. Combined with a team of professionals having vast experience and exceptional expertise in the industry, Kalyani Industries Limited has accelerated the growth and encouraged innovations. The manufacturing comprises of various technical pesticides for the international market and also formulations which include suspension concentrate, emulsifiable concentrate, soluble liquid, ultra-low volume, wettable powder, sand granules and gel for the domestic market as well as for export. The company believes in constant innovation. Under the close guidance of seasoned industry experts, it has successfully developed an R&D facility as per the latest industry guidelines. A dedicated team of researchers and analysts is in place to bring about improvement in the composition in order to meet the demand and expectation of clients, as our range of pesticides for agriculture mitigates and eliminates any breed of pests, which results in increment in crop yield and enhancement in crop quality. Public health is of prime importance to us. In order to prevent people from dreadful diseases, we have introduced a range of public health insecticides catering to households. With the help of our professional experts, we formulate environment-friendly public health insecticides with superior grade ingredients sourced from the leading suppliers. The manufacturing unit located in Sarigam is out the most modern machines. Our state-of-the-art infrastructure ensures flawless manufacturing processes. Since quality has been a top priority to us, right from pre-production to warehousing, all the processes are monitored by the quality control professionals. The company has set up its own in-house lab for quality control, where raw materials have to undergo stringent quality control tests. Only the best selected raw material is sent to the warehouse for storage. Suffice to say, the warehouse is technically advanced to meet the storage needs of this raw material. The raw material then undergoes production process. Even while this raw material is all set to undergo the production process, a random sample check is done. Only if the raw material passes through the quality control tests, the production begins. Once the production process is complete, the final product has to again undergo several quality control tests before it is issued to the packing unit, so that only the best is delivered to our valued customers. Our impeccably designed logistics services take care of the accurate weighing process, followed by packing and dispatch procedure. The company manufactures products in bulk within a limited time period without compromising on the quality. Its state-of-the-art infrastructure ensures that the products meet the international standards. Each product is processed and tested under the supervision of highly qualified and experienced inspectors of the industry. Owing to the quality of our product range, the company has built a huge client base, not only pan-India, but overseas as well. Our strong distribution network has helped make our presence prominent in many regions and countries of the world, including Africa, Saudi Arabia, Asia, Russia, Gulf, Latin America, and many more. Open the doors to freedom from pests and hazardous insects and embrace the beauty of nature and good health.